Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of theory of machine. The topic is velocity, acceleration, and displacement of planar mechanism. Question number 27 is for the planar mechanism shown in figure, select the most appropriate choice for the motion of link 2 when link 4 is moved upward. Option A, link 2 rotates clockwise. Option B, link 2 rotates counterclockwise. Option C, link 2 does not move. Option D, link to motion cannot be determined. So this is the arrangement, and this is one link, this is second link, this is third link, and this is fourth link. So when this fourth link is moved upward, so it will link 3 will rotate in clockwise direction and 2 will rotate in uh, anti-clockwise direction. So answer is option B. Okay. Next, question number 28. The figure shows a planar mechanism with single degree of freedom. The instantaneous center to port for the given configuration is located at a position. Option A L, option B M, option C N, option D infinity. So this is your L, this is your N, this is your M, this is link 1, this is link 2, this is link 3, this is link 4. Okay. So in this arrangement, uh, uh, so this is your I12, this is your slider and this is your fixed link. So slider will rotate about infinity and the center will be perpendicular to the motion of the slider. So I12 is that is I center of 1 and 2 will lie at infinity. So I center is a point about which a link rotates when one of the link is fixed. So if now one is fixed and 2 is sliding, so it will rotate about infinity. So I12 is at infinity. Similarly, 1 is fixed and 3 is sliding, so I41 is at infinity. Okay, and I center is also can also be assumed as common point or can be common point. So the common point between link 2 and 3 is this point. So this is I23, and similarly this is I34. Okay. So these are the four eye centers that we can found by that can be found by inspection. Okay, so this is your 1 2, this is your 2 3, this is your 3 4, and this is your 4 1. Okay, so these are known. So now we have to find out I24. So I24 will be joined as each line on this diagram represent a eye center. So 24 will line 24 will also represent an eye center. So this is your I24 eye center. Okay. So as this line is completing two triangles 4 1 2 and 2 3 4, so it will lie on I41 and I21. I41 and I41 and I21. I41 is at infinity and I2 is at infinity. So this line will be at infinity. Okay. So I center will also be at infinity because this I center should lie on I12 and I41. So as this line is at infinity, because both points are at infinity, so I24 will also lie at infinity. So answer is option D. Okay, so answer to question number 28 is D. Next, question number 29. A rod of length 1 meter is sliding in a corner as shown in the figure below. At an instant when the rod makes an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal plane, the downward velocity of point A is 1 meter per second. What is the angular velocity of the rod at that instant? So this is your these are two surfaces. This is one surface, this other surface. This is your rod AB. So and this is making an angle 60 degrees. So option A 2 radian per second, option B 1.5 radian per second, option C 0.5 radian per second, and option D 0.75 radian per second. So this arrangement can be assumed as this is your rod. This arrangement can be assumed that as A is sliding along this wall and B is sliding along this wall. So we can assume that there is a slider at point A. and there is another side that point B. So and I center will be like that in the previous question. So this will be so I12 will be infinity, I41 will be infinity, and this is I23, this is I34, and this is I13. Okay. So now we have to find out the angular velocity of road. Okay. So I13 means if the link 1 is fixed, 3 is rotating about this point. Okay. So I13 can be found by joining I14 and I23. I14 is at infinity, and I I34 is this. So this will represent this line, and I32 and I21 will represent this line. So this will be your I13, point of intersection of these two lines. So this will be your I13. Okay. So this is your I center I13. So now I13 means when one link is fixed, as one is fixed, then 3 is rotating about it. So this is the point of rotation of link I13. Okay. So so now if now we have this point 23. So 23 I23 means it is on point 2 and it is on point 3. So when I23 is on point 3, so it is rotating about this point I13. Okay. So this distance is I13 and I23. So this is the point of rotation, and this distance is I23 and I13. Okay. So and if omega 3 is the velocity of link 3, then its velocity will be, so this point velocity will be V23 will be omega 3 I23 I13. Okay. So as velocity of slider A is given as 1 meter per second. Okay. So this is your 1, and this distance is, if this distance is L. Okay. So then this distance is, this road is given of 1 meter. So length is 1 meter. So this distance can be found out. This angle is 60 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees. So this will be and this distance, this angle is again 60 degrees. So this will be 1 cos 60. Okay. So 1 cos 60 omega 3 into 1 cos 60 is equal to 1. So omega 3 is your 2 radian per second. So answer is option A. So answer to question number 29 is A.